Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Patty Geckel. I'm Kelly Soul's mom. I had Kelly with a complete knee replacement go first. She turned out so great that I knew I had to have the same thing done, only Dr. Frisch said I only needed a partial. So I decided to go ahead and have the partial. I actually live in Florida, and my doctor in Florida wanted to do a complete. So when Dr. Frisch said only a partial, I said, that sounds pretty good to me. So 2 weeks ago, I had a partial, and I gotta tell you, it was slick, no pain, mild discomfort. I'm walking, both of us were walking within a day and a half with no help from our walker or cane or anything. And both of us survived without, any kind of major pain. So it was just a really efficient, super surgery, and I would recommend it to anybody, especially this office. Everybody in the staff was helpful and friendly and concerned, and that's exactly what you're looking for. So I can't say enough about Dr. Frisch and his staff.